Hi everyone, my name is Byron. So today we are going to make tortilla patatas or Spanish omelette. Okay, let's have a look at the ingredients. So we have 4 potatoes, 4 eggs, onions, salt and pepper, cannot be mixed with olive oil. And then this one is the gadgets that's going to help me to slice patatas and onions easier. Another equipment that you should have, if you don't have this, fine, which is like a bowl. So prepare for 2 bowls like this and big one strainer. You will see why do we need this one. And then a nice big pan like this. Should be this kind of size of pan and a lid. And a spatula. Okay, you see the spatula like this can be a little bit thin like this. Would be a great idea for tortilla patatas. And a red wine is for me. So, follow me and I'll show you how to do step by step. It's good enough, no? Okay. Alright, come. First, we need to wash this to clean and then you peel this as well as with the onion. So we're done peeling. Onion is ready. Cut into half first and then you slice. It's got like a one, no, actually got like three. This one, so I'm gonna use this one to cut it. So now there's an onion as well. So you cut into half, okay, and then you will slice it. Exactly like potatoes, okay? And now we get our equipment ready, pan, a lid, and spatula. First we are going to put the heat, okay, to the medium to high. To heat up the pan for now, and then we're gonna put the olive oil. You put quite a lot for this process. That should be enough. And now you can see the oil start to be heated up. So you put this to medium and then start to put this slowly. And then you add the onions right away. Now I add salt, about 1 teaspoon and a half, and I add some pepper. So when you open, you shake the bottom. It shouldn't be too fried. It should look like this color. If you leave too long, it can be like a deep fry potatoes, which we don't want. And then flip, okay, to make the top to the bottom, and then stir evenly. And then this is ready, and we're gonna remove this one to here on the strainer. Don't forget to get a bowl underneath of the strainer and allow the oil to drip. And next step, we put all the eggs in the bowl and we stir the eggs like we make omelette. Oh, look who's here. Hello, Muffy. Yes. After the egg's ready, now we're gonna put fried potatoes in the egg. I'm flipping a little bit gently, not too hard, just to cool it down. Then mix them together, stir gently. We don't want fried potato to be broken into 2 small pieces. And then put baking powder, 1 teaspoon precisely, and then stir evenly.
Now put the hot pan that we had earlier and put the heat to medium. And then we are going to use the oil that came from fried potatoes. About 1 tablespoon, and wait the pan to heat up for 1 minute. And then we put the eggs that we prepared into the pan. Use a thin spatula to stir in the middle first to make sure that the middle of tortilla patatas get the heat from the oil. And after that, you form the tortilla patatas from the rim to look like a pancake. Put the heat medium to low and keep forming the tortilla patatas into the shape till you can see the rim slightly done. Cover with a lid and leave about 10 minutes.
So after that, this is done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna flick. So use a plate, put on top of this, and then go to the safe place, which is in the area of the sink, and then put it firmly and flick. Now, you have a beautiful, but it's not yet ready. So now you go back here and then put it back in again slowly.
Then use a spatula to form tortilla patatas by tucking edges under. And cover with a lid and leave for about 7 minutes. And now it is ready. It looks pretty and nice color as well. Before I put on the plate, I'll tuck edges under to make sure it looks nice. Ahora, que aproveche todos. If you like this video, leave some comments, or if you really like, please share. Thanks. Bye.